Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hays County, northern Guadalupe County, Comal County, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of New Braunfels, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Braunfels, San Marcos, Schertz, Seguin, Wimberley, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Garden Ridge, Wood Creek, Kingsbury, Staples, Smithson Valley, Fentress, Geronimo, Zorn, Hunter, Starksville, Sattler, Redwood, and Freiheit. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. The storm is producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.